What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cliff. I'm back at you with another one. So look, I want y'all to check this out real quick. Come on. All right. Now let me go ahead and get these little nerdy glasses on I got over here. My bad. Hold up, y'all. All right. So look, this right here is the color strip LED lights. Now look, these things are only $5 a piece. Okay. So you know what I'm about here on my channel. Always trying to be frugal and everything and help the next person. So look, if you check this out right here, I don't know if y'all can see that right there. $10.57. All right. So look, this is what you're going to need for this little build here. All right. So these two right here was 10 bucks in total. You know what I'm saying? So, well, 10 bucks, 57 cents. So 10 bucks. You get this at the dollar store for $1. You need some super glue. Now this is just some dry eraser because you'll need to square it off and everything. Okay. And then you'll need some of this right here. I pretty much ripped it all up. But what that is, it's what you call it, Velcro and everything. All right. That's at the dollar store also. And if by chance you got an old power bank, okay. So this is a 20,000 milliamp power bank. Now I glued, I'm sorry, it's kind of dirty right there. I glued this on the back of this. All right. Like I said, it's a 20,000 milliamp power bank. So these right here take 5,000 milliamps. All right. I'm sorry, not 5,000, 2,000 milliamps. And they allegedly will go like 40,000 hours or something like that. Basically like 4 years, allegedly. But $5 a piece, you can't beat that. Okay. So basically, this is everything that you need right here. All right. And you need this to cut the stuff. So look, let me show you why I did this right here. Yeah, I know y'all see them ramen noodles over there too. And the Mountain Dew. Let's go. Yeah, baby. They say turn down for what? They say turn down for what? Now, I know y'all see this right here. This is my little mod that I got going on here. You know what I'm saying? So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this right here. All right. And if y'all look down here, let me see if I can get in there for y'all real quick. My bad. See that? I super glued right there to the Velcro things. All right. So what you do, you take this, just stick it on there. Just like that. See that? Now hold up a second. So what you got to do is you got to start right here. And what I did was I actually super glued it. You know what I'm saying? It does have this adhesive stuff, but it's not all that good. So you start there. And then this was that little thing. I used it as a block thing. So that I could go around and trace it. See what I'm saying? I did the same thing over here on this one. Now I intentionally did it this way. I wanted them up there because I'm gonna put I'm gonna put something right here and something right there. All right, so hold up. I'm gonna grab one of these remotes here. I know y'all can probably hear my feet and everything. So then all you do, because it's USB, you know what I'm saying? This is all you do from this point. You take this, stick that in there, take this. I probably got it backwards. Trip. Stick it in there. You back up. And turn this light off out here, y'all. Boom. Check them out. Look at that. $13, y'all. Come on, $13. They say $13. Is you kidding me? What? I'm sick of this. Hold up. Let's see what she'll do. Let's see what she'll do, y'all. So let's go to red. Okay. Look at that. Check them out. You see that? I can change them individually too. Hey. I'm sorry, my hand's really big. Yeah. See that? I can change them individually. Now let's see if we got a little action here. Hey, all you got to do is add some music to that. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know it's real late. Tell me why it looked like a whole party in the back of there. I'm sick of this. Hey, and then you know when I actually turn it on, that amp gonna light up. You know what I'm saying? Damn. So then I can switch it. Slow motion, slow it down. There you go. Run together. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. So anybody out here can do this. Let me see if I can turn it around real quick. Hey, I don't know if y'all can see me or not. So look, anybody can do this. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Yeah, y'all probably couldn't even see me. But look, anybody can do this like $13. $13? Is you kidding me? Tell me y'all wouldn't do that for $13. That's it. Come on. Let's see. Let me see some. Let's see how else we can turn them. Let's see. One white. Turn the other one white. You know what I'm saying? And then if I want to, I can get them to both go to the motherfucking what's that called? The to the speakers and shit too, you know what I'm saying? See, I personally like, where's it at? I like that all red one like that. You know what I'm saying? Dun-na, 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 dun-na. Hey, dun-na, 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 hey, dun-na, 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 hey. They say turn down for what? Turn down for what? Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's ride. Come on. Hey. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm tripping right now. I just had a lot of Mountain Dew, you know what I'm saying? All right. So look, that's pretty much it. That's the whole build right there. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can switch them both up real quick. There we go. Get them both going in that slow motion for you. So I'm going to go ahead and slow motion out this. So everybody, let me know your thoughts. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, hit them likes. Go ahead, leave your comments in the box below. Share, hit that notification bell, and we going to get to it. All right, y'all. Tune in for my next video. Let's go. Hey!